Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing my Elysian paper order unboxing, and I placed this order back in December when she had her sale, and now it's like end of March, so it's been a long wait, but it is so worth it. I am so excited to show you guys what I got, so let's go ahead and get started. I was trying to be very gentle when opening this, but I was also very excited. So I did my best. Um, so it's so cute. Oh my goodness. I love she sent some goodies, which I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Evangelina, for sending. It's always so exciting when you get things like that. So here it is. She put a postcard. I love the picture. So it could be good for like a cover, I think. And then she sent these little two goodies. I'm not 100% sure, but um, I think it's a ceramic pen rest. If you know, I'm thinking that's what it is. I am able to see that on her Etsy shop. And then she also sent a couple of little stickers and a sample of her washi tape, which I'm so excited to use. So yeah, so that was very nice to have. So thank you so much again. Here, and now the covers, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna push this away so we can look take a look at them. Okay, so I'm gonna go first with this one. Okay, you guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so this one, this bag should have my smaller covers, and I ordered a custom size for my Nolte 1180 planner, and then I also ordered a wide passport cover for my Create with Pen notebook. Okay, you guys, so here are both of them side by side. You can tell that one is a little bit bigger. So the one with the elastic is for my Nolte 1180, and the other one with the nib closure, that one is for my Create with Pen passport notebook. And I requested this a little bit wider just so as my notebook gets chunky, I have a little bit of room. So for both of them, the main leather is cinnamon. The packets for this custom Nolte cover, it's mocha and cinnamon. Okay, and so I did request some elastics for this one because I always like to kind of create or add more inserts. But I really do love it. I love that it's very small, and later on this video I'll show you how it fits my Nolte 1180. Moving on to this passport white, and the main leather is cinnamon. The interior pockets are caramel and cinnamon. And with all of my covers that I ordered with her, I requested elastics just because I like to have the option. And with this cover specifically, I had the nib closure, which I like. So yeah, it's the cinnamon leather, it's smooth. I gotta say that it is lighter than the other leather covers that I have from her. I ordered previously back in November 2 orders, and I feel like they're a little bit more heavier, more sturdy. But I know she mentioned that her leather changed a little bit to where it was gonna be lighter, so I think that's what it is. You guys, moving on to my next one, I have two covers here. This one is the A6 cover and a B6. This one here, the brown one, is in leather caramel, and this is for my Hobonichi A6 planner. And I requested a nib closure. It is just so pretty. The leather is very soft and very smooth. It is on the floppy side. I feel like it bends pretty quick, but I mean, I don't mind it. It's so pretty, so smooth. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with this one. Of course, it has that beautiful stitching. I think it goes very well with the caramel leather. And then I did added elastics again. So yeah, I don't know. This is like really soft. I can't stop touching it. It's crazy, but I love it. Oh my goodness. I'm excited to see how this is going to kind of patina throughout the years. But it is definitely darker and smoother than the cinnamon leather. Yeah, I love it. Exciting. Okay, and this is my last one. This was a ready to ship product that she had, um, and I just wanted to get it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's very smooth as well. This is in the leather black. Um, and so she was selling it because I think she said that it came a little bit smaller than a B6, but I love it. I mean, I don't have anything bigger than an A6, and so I wanted to try a different size, and I will be using this one for work. I just have to find a notebook because I don't have a notebook for it right now, but I really like it. I love that it's just like black. It matches with the stitching, and it has a pen loop, which I have never. I don't think I gravitate too much towards that, but I'm excited that this one has it, and it's definitely the leather. It's a different color that I don't have in my collection. I tend to go more for the neutral browns. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm excited to share how I use these covers in the future. Okay, you guys, so let's try putting my Hobonichi A6 planner into the new cover. I'm excited to see how it fits and how it looks. This cover right now that I have, it's the leather, it's on dye. I think, yeah, on dye leather, and this was a custom order for my Sequence A6 notebook. But my Hobonichi fit in there, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna use it for now. So yeah, I'm excited for this one. I removed the clear cover, and so I think I did put in my notes that I wanted it so that it could fit without the clear cover. So here it is. Ooh, so pretty. So pretty. It fits really good. It fits very well. Let's go ahead and put the Nolte 1180 into its cover and see how it fits. Also, I forgot to mention, but the Nolte 1180 comes with a cover, and I took that cover away, and so now I'm left with stains from my passport traveler's notebook cover. I think it just stained it, but we'll take care of that later sometime. Here you go, guys. It fits, yes. Wow, I love it. Perfect. And I still have room to add any other inserts that I want. Cool. Okay, let me try how it will fit in the elastics. Yeah, it works. Yeah, so I guess I can use it either way. I can use the elastic, so I can use the pockets. Perfect. Okay, you guys, so this is the Create with Pen Passport notebook. And look at that, it fits perfect. Yes, okay, I like it, I'm excited. That's it, yeah. Okay, you guys, that was it. This is it. Thank you so much for sticking around. I hope you guys like this video. I am very excited to use my covers. If you guys have questions, let me know. If you guys enjoy and like this video, give it a thumbs up, and then I will be seeing you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.